Today in this video we are going to make these beautiful hair clips. Hi friends, welcome to diycraftysewing channel. To make this flower, here I am taken 1/2 inch satin ribbon. To make the petals, do the procedure as shown here. Now cut the ribbon with a length of approximately 3/4 inch. Similarly do the other petals like this. For each flower, here I am using 5 petals. Now give a heat touch up to the other side of the each petal to prevent the raw edges. Now take the needle along with thread. Now place the one petal over the other petal as shown here and give running stitch. Continue this procedure as shown here until we get required flower shape. Now join the both ends as shown here and continue running stitch and pull the thread from the both ends and give secure knot and trim out the extra thread. Now take one petal and give folds to the petal. Secure that folds by giving stitching. Place that petal in the middle of the flower as shown here. Now one flower is completed. Similarly do the other 2 flowers like this. Now it's time to make the leaf. For that, here I am taken green color 1/2 inch width satin ribbon. Length of the ribbon is 3.5 centimeter. To get the required leaf shape, cut the ribbon piece as shown here. Secure the leaf shape. Give a heat touch up as shown here. Now fold the ribbon into half as shown here and give a heat touch up. Create the leaf shape impression. Similarly do the other leaves like this. Now attach the leaf and flower with the glue as shown here. Now take the round shape felt sheet. You can also take canvas sheet. Here I am taken felt sheet. Now apply glue to the round base as shown here and stick the each flower. Now take another round base and fold it into half as shown here and give 2 cuts with the scissor. Take one alligator clip, insert that clip into the round base as shown here. Apply glue to the round base as shown here to stick to that clip. Instead of alligator clip, you can also take tictak or hair clips. You can use this flower or brooch pins, headbands, hairband also. Our channel we are done with many flowers. If you want, you can visit our channel. Now apply glue to the felt sheet as shown here and stick that flower to that felt sheet. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe for more upcoming and beautiful videos. If you have any doubts or suggestions or comments, let me know in the comments regarding this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.